Well, howdy there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a lovely song from Isaak called Wicked Game, and I'm trying to incorporate the lead guitar bit into a single acoustic guitar version, okay, playing rhythm and lead. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Isaak. Okay, so I'm going to go through the intro, or my take on the intro. The first verse, the first chorus, a bit of an instrumental bit, a second verse and second chorus, and another instrumental bit, and then I'm going to break it all down for you and show you exactly how I played it, and hopefully you'll be good to go. The rest of the song is basically more of the same, just another verse and another chorus which you've already got. Okay, so you'll have all the parts you need. So without more ado, singing as usual for reference only. Okay, so here we go. On fire and no one could save me but you. It's strange what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you, and I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. I wanna fall in love, this girl is gonna break your heart. No, I don't wanna fall in love, this girl is only gonna break your heart with you. With you. Wicked game to play to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, to let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say, you never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do, yeah, make me dream of you. Wanna fall in love, this girl is only gonna break your heart. No, I wanna fall in love, this girl is only gonna break your heart with you. Something like that, and say there's another verse and another chorus, etc., which is we've already covered. Okay, so more of the same. So let's break it all down for you. Right, the first thing to note about this song is there's only 3 chords in it. Okay, it's a B minor, either a simple B minor or a bar chord B minor, 2nd fret, an A chord and an E chord. And those chords are all the way through the song. There's nothing else in the song, just those 3 chords, B minor, A and E, in that order. Okay, so for instance the verse is all B minor, A and E. Okay, so the world was on fire and no one could save me but you. It's strange what desires make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you, and I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. Okay, so it's the same sequence all the way through the verse, and all the verses are the same. And the chorus is exactly the same. Same B minor, A and E. No, I don't wanna No, I wanna fall in love. This girl is only gonna break your heart. And I wanna fall in love. See, it's the same chord sequence all the way through the song. So that's easy, okay, that's sorted. So the only things that I've got to really show you, apart from what I've just done, is the actual fiddly bits, okay? So the introduction, let's start with the introduction, okay? So the way I played it was I started off by playing an open second string, B string, going into the B minor chord, A chord, right, so you do the open B string, B chord, B minor chord, A chord, and just before you go to the E chord you do a little slide. You go up to the 7th fret of the second string, the B string, hit that note, and a nice slow slide down to an E chord. Okay? So let's do that again. Got it? So just once more, open B string, B minor chord, A chord, slide, E chord. Right, and the second phrase is again open B string on its own, B minor, A, and then what we do this time was we play a couple of strums on the A chord, and then we play this open top E string, then put pinky on the 3rd fret of the second string, then move it to the 2nd fret of the B string, the second string, and then to an E chord. So that second phrase is this: open B string, B minor, A, right, top string open, second string on the 3rd fret, second string on the second fret, E chord, and just to finish it off we do that, which is a double stop, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 1st finger. Then my 3rd finger is playing the 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string, just those two together, double stop, and that bit's also in the verse, that double stop, okay? So the whole thing is this: start first phrase, second phrase, first phrase, okay, got it? Then we go into the real fiddly bit, okay? So let's just go through that once more very slowly. Okay, got that? Right, now we go to the real fiddly bit, this bit. Right, so what I'm doing with that is I'm playing a simple B minor, okay, and I'm strumming down from 4 to 1 to start with. So then what I'm doing is I'm keeping the B minor, hitting the 1st string and then the 2nd string, so it's right. Then we take the 1st finger off and play the open E string and that 2nd string on the 3rd fret, which is still fretted by your 2nd finger there, okay? Okay, so it's, let's do it again, sorry. Got that? Okay, then what we do is we play, keeping these two fingers where they are, the third finger and pinky, so they keep them there. First finger goes to the second fret of the B string, the second string, and then goes off and plays. You play the open B string. Okay, so far we've got this. Let's try that again slowly. Got that, so that's that second fret B string, open B string, okay? Sorry. And what you do is you hit that fourth fret of the third string, which is held by pinky, and then we play the open B string again. I know it's the same note, but that's what we do, okay? So what we've got so far is this, okay? It should sound like that, okay? So strum, 4 down to 1, first string, second string, first finger off, first string, second string, first finger on the second fret of the B string, open B string, third string on the fourth fret with pinky, open second string. Okay, so that's as far as we've got. Okay, so it's okay. Then what we do is we go to the second fret of the third string, and then we play an E chord. So now we've got this. Slowly. And to finish it off, we hammer up on the E chord from that first fret of the third string. We hammer up with pinky to the second fret to make it a suspended, and then after you've hammered, you hit that top E, you hit that second string open. Okay, got that? And then you've got the whole phrase. Okay, so it's and then just repeats, okay? So I'll just do that whole thing very slowly. And then we go into the verse. So it's two of those, and we go into the verse. So this is how far. This is where we are at the moment. Okay, from the beginning of the song. Okay, from the intro. Okay. Then it goes into the verse, okay? The world was on fire and no one could see me but you. And we've already been through this, it's just B minor, A and E, all the way through the verse, okay? So coming out of that second fiddly bit, alright, sorry. The world was on fire and no one could see me but you. So the other notes go through some more fiddly bits. No more fiddly than that though, easier now. Okay. The first line of the verse, the world was on fire, that's just straightforward B minor. Was on fire, no one could save me but you. Just strum away on E. B minor. It's strange what desire will make foolish people do. And it does that one again. That double stop that I showed you in the intro. At that point, second line, third line. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. Again, that double stop. And then the final line, and I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. And that one is another one of those hammer up to the second fret from the first fret of the third string on the E chord, and then open B on the very last line of the verse. So the whole verse is this, and the world was on fire, and no one could save me but you. It's strange what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. And I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. Okay, now we go into the chorus. So all the verses are the same, okay? So then we go into the chorus and it goes, no, again it's B minor, A and E, okay? No, I wanna fall in love, this girl's gonna break my heart. When you get to break, just suspend it and off, on and off. Just break my heart, okay? So, no, I wanna fall in love, this girl is gonna break my heart. No, with, and then with you is the tricky bit again. Exactly the same as we did in the intro. With you. With you. Second verse. What a wicked game to play to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, to let me dream of you. That's just, there's no funny bits in this bit. That's just, I'm just keeping it straight chords. E, B minor, A and E. Okay. What a wicked thing to say. You never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do, to make me dream of you. And I wanna fall in love, this girl is gonna break my heart. Oh, wanna fall in love, this girl is gonna break your heart with you. And so on, okay, you get the idea, just more of those fiddly bits. And that's it, the song just repeats various bits you've already covered, okay? So hopefully that will help you play that song, okay? So let me know how you get on with that, and I'll see you in the next video, okay?